Hey, what's up guys? Today we are here at Alviso Marina County Park, which was used to be a 19th century seaport of the old town of Alviso. It was turned into a park to be preserved and for the wildlife. So let's explore this magnificent and historic place. Let's go! The Alviso Marina County Park is located on the outskirts of San Jose, California in the United States. It is a flourishing marshlands cover miles of land that was once a toxic drainage site for a nearby mining district. The park is home to 7 salt ponds and is a gateway to the Don Edward San Francisco Bay National Wildlife Refuge. In the mid-19th century, the town of Alviso brimmed with industry and served as a port, providing shipping services for Santa Clara Valley. The new Almaden mining district also used Alviso Slough as a toxic drainage channel for its mercury-rich ore known as quicksilver. The mine was the oldest and most productive quicksilver mine in the United States. When the mines eventually closed, the port lost its demand.
What's up, guys?
Over the next century, the town continued to sustain itself through different industries. During the Great Depression, its dance halls and gambling casinos kept the area afloat, and by 1968, the town was consolidated into the city of San Jose.
See, it's salt. See? Kaya ko dyan. Maganda yung sa picture.
After the 1970s, Alviso had all but lost its former luster, turning into a shadow of the booming Silicon Valley. While its days as a commercial hub were long gone, the area started to emerge as a residential neighborhood and environmental refuge. So the Alviso Marina County Park was created with extended boardwalks for birdwatching and launch ramps for boaters to access the bay. Once a bedrock of shipping and industry, Alviso is now a refuge for habitat and wildlife.
This is one of the things that control the flow of water to the marina. A government proposal was issued for a $100 million restoration project to convert the salt ponds into wetlands, making it the largest tidal wetland restoration project on the US West Coast. Today, the park contains 20.6-acre bayside park, and though small in size, it offers a great deal of activities within its boundaries and into the wildlife refuge.
Guys, as you can see, there's more wildlife here, like a lot of birds. I think this video is turning out to be like a National Geographic video, or maybe Discovery. I'm not sure which one. So just enjoy the view, I guess.
The pathways and boardwalks and trails around the ponds in the adjacent wildlife refuge and the original trails, which includes San Francisco Bay Trail and San Francisco Bay Area Water Trail. It offers fantastic views of the mountains surrounding the bay and the wildlife that call these ponds home.
A lot of walking today, as you can see.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn.
Hey guys, now I'm taking a break, since I guess if you go around the loop of the entire park, it will take you usually around 3 hours if you walk in a normal pace and a little bit of jogging. It's a big park, and during the summer it gets kinda hot, especially if you don't have a hat.
What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly.
There is also a marker for the steamboat Jenny Lind. During the height of its shipping activity, Alviso experienced a devastating maritime disaster. Built in San Francisco in 1850, the Jenny Lind steamboat was named for the Swedish opera singer. On the 11th of April 1852, the Jenny Lind left Alviso bound for San Francisco. The boiler exploded as the steamboat passed the Redwood City Inlet. Minutes after dinner was called for the passengers, the worst of the casualties were among the women and children who were seated first at dinner, and at least 31 people were killed. Residents of San Jose were stunned, as many of those killed had been leaders in their community, and the incident is still remembered as a major tragedy.
Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that it's time. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, oh, oh. What's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right.
So what tip can you give for our senior citizen who decided to visit the park?
Just walk, do it, and go, go, go!
Hey guys, so that's it for our nature tripping around Alviso Marina County Park. Until next time, don't forget to
Hit like, share, and subscribe.
until next time, bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe.
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!